What happens to your open property insurance claim when you sell your property? If you are working on a commercial building and you sell your property to a buyer, what happens to that claim? Does anybody know? Chris is the man. He's got some answers. Welcome to the podcast, Chris. What say you?
Well, I'm just hanging out here in the Bat Cave doing some research, and
Yeah,
we've come across this on the residential and the commercial side, and
right.
so um, it can affect the sale. We'll put it that way, because that buyer is like, well, wait a second, you've got an open claim. What's going on here? I want to
Yeah,
make sure that everything's going to be brought up, where everything's going to be paid out, and so there's a lot more moving parts. But to answer your question, we know how to do it. This is what we do. And so we can help simplify it for you as the seller of the building
yeah,
or the buyer of the building. We can kind of be your consultant slash public adjuster and kind of walk you through these steps because it
right.
can be a little confusing at first. So
We have worked with both sides, the listing agent and the seller, or the buyer's agent, transaction broker, and the buyer. We've worked with both sides, helping them navigate the process of, hey, how do we take this building into possession as the buyer without ruining this $300,000 insurance claim that's owed to us and part of the purchase contract? There's so many different moving parts, like Chris said, like so many different things. I've actually literally saved a deal during the COVID era that the buyer was like, I'm not so sure. And we were able to, within 72 days, take this insurance claim from like $12,000 to over $300,000. Right.
wow.
And so it is possible, and we can help do that. But you must hire us as soon as you possibly can. BellatorClaims.com. Contact us. Let us know how we can help facilitate the sale if you're on the sale side or if you're on the buy side. But yes, we can
Absolutely.
absolutely do that. And the short answer to your question, Chris, is what happens to the sale or the insurance claim during the sale is it can get real messy, but ultimately what you want to have happen is the rights of the claim is transferred to the buyer as long as the policy allows you to do that, unless it's written specifically in the policy that you can't do that without the written permission of the insurer. So lots of different stuff going on that could screw up the whole real estate side of the transaction because of the insurance side of the transaction. The best thing to do is contact us, Bellator Claims.
Yes.
Chris, I'll let you have the final word, my friend, and take us out of here. Dance us
Yeah.
out.
So our big thing is we're gonna reach 1 million subscribers. It's just a matter of when.
That's
So you're
right.
gonna help us do that. So if
Help
you could
us.
please help us, like, cling, and go ahead and subscribe. And then, hey, leave a comment too if you like our stuff. Tell us what we're doing wrong. Tell us what we're doing right. And
Right.
then share it with the world.
Share it with the world. That's what we want. Thank you so much. We're honored that you continue to watch the content that we're putting out. We've gotten a lot of good feedback, so thank you. Please leave some feedback. That'd be great. We'll see you on the next one.